We are breaking all the rules today. Cooked chicken, raw chicken, same meal. What the hell is going to happen to my stomach? Raw chicken, always delicious. But what is this? Cooked chicken on this channel? Cooked chicken with bland. I'm making a bone broth. So I'm boiling down these chicken wings so I can have some broth tomorrow after my 3-month 95% fully raw experiment, which you can go see my results, what I found out in my own body. You can go check it out in my pros and cons and miscellaneous other things I noticed in 3 months fully raw meat and some raw fruits. Did I have any raw vegetables? I don't think so. Maybe I did a couple. After that, I've been eating about 50-50 raw meat and some cooked meat. Also introduced the raw milk. Now that I have a berry based lady that farms the cows with her husband. Last time I was there a couple of days ago, we were talking about natural human diet. We were talking about COVID. She's very based. Nice people. She told me that sun is dangerous though. She saw my tan and she was like, sun is damaging on your skin. And I was like, maybe. But I disagree a bit. Depends on your skin, on your overall health of your body. How much can you be in the sun? Also your genetics, obviously. But she had a sad story about it. Her brother died to melanoma, skin cancer, when he was 50 years old. But after that, even she said that her brother was never in the sun really. It started with some, what it is called in English, when you get that kind of spot, that dark spot grows out of your skin. What it is called? Kind of cyst. That's not the word. I want to say mold, but it's not mold. When a dark spot grows out of your skin, kind of like a cyst. So her brother had the cyst, and out of it came out the cancer. But we have this belief that melanoma is caused by sun. Skin cancer is caused by sun. But even her Even she said her brother was not out in the sun alone. Anyway, I was talking about my diet. So I've been experimenting with eating some more cooked stuff again. Either the detoxification is super hard when you go fully raw, or you really do get more protein from cooked meat. That's a big debate. Do you get more protein out of raw meat because you don't denature the protein, you don't destroy it? Or is it the good when you denature the protein, your body absorbs more of it when you eat cooked meat? It's a big debate. When you butcher, for example, beef, do some programs which shows how much you're getting, all the amino acids and vitamins and minerals and stuff. When you put raw versus cooked in them, always the cooked comes out with more amino acids. Basically, you are pooping out more the protein when you eat raw. Now, for the most fat-soluble vitamins, in those conversions show that you get more fat-soluble vitamins out of the raw meat. Vitamin D, A, E, K2, but most of the water-soluble vitamins, minerals, you get more out of the cooked meat. Makes logical sense. When you put fire on your food, you destroy it, but same thing happens on your stomach when you eat the food. So I'm not sold either way. I'm not dogmatic about it. I also got a little bit beef and some bone marrow. Got that yummy bone marrow. I'm not dogmatic about it. All the traditional people ate both. Also they ate carbs, they ate plants, most of them. The Inuit people mostly ate raw meat. Also many of the traditional people ate raw dairy and raw dairy products a lot. Some even ate grains. They were always prepared in a certain way. It's a yummy bite, really good meat from a local farm. I know. Now I'm gonna throw these bones back in my pile. I have beef bones and chicken bones. A couple of apples there and apple cider vinegar. First time making bone broth. That's it for the day. Raw versus cooked. Or is there even a battle? Are both good? See you in the next one.